Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. And today we have, oh yeah, bought that too. We have a pre-drop, more or less a shock drop. And I rarely wear low-top sneakers. Nike SB sticker, that's cool. But I just really like the colors of these. And the guy's name that I already forgot, sorry to say. It doesn't say on the box, but I think it's Yoma Horigate. Please don't hate me if I... Yeah, Yuto Horigome. Killing the pronunciation. I don't know anything about him, but if you want to know more about him, just Google it. But I really like the shoes, the colors, and what made me... Because first of all, let me put the camera closer. So I've known about the sneakers for a couple of weeks, and I like the adult colors to say. They look mature with the gray and the brown, really nice, and the sail white off white. But what really got me to like them was this small detail of pink, and we also have pink laces, brown laces as well, and I think I'm going unmatching, one brown, one pink. But yeah, so it's the small details that I really liked. And they are supposed to have a little bit thinner tongue, and I wouldn't call it thinner, just not as padded. So it is as thick but more air in it, so it's not as padded. But otherwise nice suede, nice leather, brushed leather. So yeah, about the shoes. They are releasing on a sneakers app this Tuesday morning. I think it's the 29th of August. But I saw a couple of videos of them that they were pre-release, quick strike released at the skateboard stores. So I thought, we have our very famous Street Lab sneaker skateboard store here in Malmö. So I just took the car out to the city, went in there and asked, hey, those Yoro Hamagate, I pronounced that wrong again, Yoro Horigame, do you have them in size 12? And he just smiled at me and said, yes, we do. I said, oh, I did not expect that at all, because they never have size 12. The Crenshaw that got released a couple of weeks ago were not in my size, and I really like those. So yeah, I was super happy. So I asked him, can I buy them? I know that they are not officially releasing until until Tuesday, and he told me, well, we were actually able to sell them already yesterday, but we just didn't care. So I got them with me. Super nice, super thankful. So yeah, the pink underneath, you will not see that. Brown sole, nice. Off-white, sail white with blue gray leather, and these two feathers are his logo, I'm guessing. And we got some details on the tongue with the logo and on the sole as well. So yeah, cool shoe, and seems to be a little bit softer than standard. And because nowadays usually when I buy a pair of shoes, I go into StockX and put them in my archive, in my portfolio. There I noticed that these are really going for kind of crazy prices, I think. So the retail price here in Sweden was $150. I'm pretty sure they're cheaper in US, like $129 maybe, I don't know. And on StockX, my size US 12 already go for $400. that's a bit much. But they are meant to be worn. Really nice. So I don't know about the lacing. I want them to be this discreet sort of luxury feeling, but the pink, I just really like the pink. So I think I'm going with the pink laces. That's it. They are probably true to size. I don't have any SB or any dunks that are not true to size. So true to size, a little bit better than expected. You see the leather. I hope you can see that. So it's softer, better quality than your standard pair. Yeah, that is nice. So everything was just a positive surprise. I think that's it for this video. Now let's put them on. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.